Planning a trip to Bolivia? From the surreal salt flats of Uyuni to the floating islands of Lake Titicaca, this South American gem is packed with natural wonders and indigenous culture. But before you pack your bags, let's talk about something important, your Bolivia visa. This video is your step-by-step guide to getting your Bolivia tourist visa without the stress. I'll tell you how to apply for a Bolivia visa through a platform like Atlys, as well as how to apply on your own, so stay tuned. First, let's take a quick look at the Bolivia tourist visa requirements. Valid passport must be valid for at least 6 months from the date of entry into Bolivia. Photographs, 4 recent passport-size photos, round-trip ticket, proof of confirmed return or onward travel, hotel address, details of your confirmed accommodation in Bolivia, bank statement, personal bank statements for the last 3 months showing financial capacity to fund the trip, yellow fever vaccination certificate. It's mandatory, especially if you are traveling to tropical or Amazon regions. Valid for 10 years starting 10 days after the date of vaccination. Here's how you can apply for a visa in just a few simple steps. Go to the Atlys app or website and search for Bolivia. Click on Start Application and start with the process. Upload a photo of the front page of your passport and all your details will be automatically filled in. If you've already used Atlys before, your personal details will be pre-filled. Verify that all information is entered correctly. Add your current address so that Team Atlys can arrange for a passport pickup. Yeah, you'll need to submit your passport for your Bolivia visa. Make the payment and that's it. You're done. Atlys will do the needful on your behalf and you can check the visa status by logging into your profile on Atlys. Once your visa is approved, they will deliver your passport back to you. Now, let me tell you how to do it on your own. First, go to the official website and create a profile. I've added the link to the official website in the description below. Once you have created a profile, you can start your application process. Click on New Visa Application, select your passport type and passport issuing country. In the next steps, fill out your passport details, choose your type of visa, etc. Once you submit that, you can upload your flight tickets, accommodation proof, bank statements for the last 3 months and yellow fever vaccination certificate. You'll get an appointment date on which you'll have to visit the Bolivian embassy or consulate where you'll have to present hard copies of the following documents. A passport valid for at least 6 months from your intended arrival date in Bolivia. Recent passport-size photograph, white background professionally taken. Confirmed round-trip flight ticket or itinerary showing arrival and departure details. Hotel reservation or accommodation proof with your name on it. Detailed travel itinerary summarizing planned destinations, purpose and duration. Also bank statements from the last 3 months showing sufficient funds and yellow fever vaccination certificate. Once approved, your visa stamp or sticker will be placed in your passport. You're then free to travel and it's typically valid for 30 days. Since applying on your own can be a bit tedious, I definitely recommend using Atlys to apply for your Bolivian visa. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below. Our team of experts will be happy to assist you. And if this video helps you get your visa, please hit like and share it across. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and destination guides.